Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding a card to wallet on either your iPhone or directly on the Apple Watch. First, make sure the watch is paired, unlocked, and on the latest watch OS. This prevents verification hiccups. Open Wallet and tap the plus button, then follow prompts to scan or type your card details. Once done, complete the bank's verification step, SMS, app, or phone, because Apple Pay requires issuer approval to enable Tap to Pay on the watch. When you're ready to pay, double-press the watch's side button. That instantly brings up Apple Pay, so you don't fumble through menus. Select the card by swiping or rotating the digital crown. Choose carefully if you keep multiple cards. Then hold the face of the watch near the contactless reader, center it above the terminal's symbol, and keep it steady until you feel a tap and hear a beep, which confirms the secure tokenized transaction completed successfully. After payment, look for the green checkmark and done on the watch face. That confirms the merchant received the tokenized payment. If a card is declined, make sure the card is active in wallet and the bank hasn't blocked contactless use. Once verified, retry the tap. If problems persist, restart the watch, re-add the card, and ensure watch OS is updated. This often clears pairing or token issues. Remember, restarting and re-verification fix most stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.